Today's featured car of the day is a rare one. 1971 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 convertible. One of only 110 442 W-30 convertibles made in 1971. In this beautiful bright blue color with the pearl white interior. And well, this one really caught your eye, that's for sure. It was a beauty. Super rare car. And I filmed this one at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. I don't know what else to say about it. It was looked like it was restored. Um, Everything seemed to be right. It was in perfect condition, like brand new. Beautiful paint on it, the right color. Definitely the color combo I would have bought if I bought one new, or even one today. Actually, this one is part of the second generation of the 442s, which went from 1968 through 1972. And 1971, unfortunately, was the year that they lowered the compression ratio on the engines. This one went down to 8.5 to 1. And that affected all of the GM engines as a result of the corporate policy requiring the engines to run on lower octane, regular leaded, low lead, or unleaded gasoline in preparation for the introduction of the catalytic converter on the 1975 model cars. So it shows you they're already thinking about it 4 years before it happened. It was still rated at 350 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque, and managed to run a 13.9 quarter mile at 101 mile an hour back in 1971 when it was new. So that is pretty respectable, even with the lower compression. As far as the production figures go for the 442 in 1971, they only made 7,589 total, 6,285 hardtops, and 1,304 convertibles. And out of that number, only 920 had the W-30 package. And of that, 810 were hardtops, and 110 were convertible 442 W-30s, as I mentioned before. So they were super rare birds, that's for sure. As far as how many of them were in this beautiful color combo, I don't know. But like I said, this is the one I would have bought. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1971 Oldsmobile 442 W-30 convertible that looked like it was restored. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.